Hi guys! Okay.
Hello everybody,
Hello.
I am Chicken1.
And this is Shelby's channel of randomness or whatever it's called.
Yeah,
and I'm a member!
And today we're gonna do gifting.
I'm not doing gifting!
Yes, we are.
No, we're not!
What do you want to do then?
I'm gonna buy some diamond armor like yours. That's what I'm gonna do.
Well, I got this from a long time ago.
So, I'm going to the diamond shop, so bye!
I'm following it.
Oh my god. You stalker. You stalker, you freaking stalker. Okay. Yeah, well, I'm Harley Quinn.
Waiting.
Yeah. This is my old account, yes. Diamond shop, diamond shop. Let's go to the diamond shop.
Her username is LoveCom4.
Let's LoveCom34 after a favorite book series of mine. Love StarCom, but I did LoveCom because, yeah, reasons. Really? Oh, I love Courtney Jester, but no, not right now, no. Wee! Armor so beautiful.
Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go and,
It won't click!
Follow me. Follow me.
Why won't this click?
First of all, you don't have any diamonds. I don't know.
Why won't this click?
First of all, you don't have any diamonds.
Yes, I do. How'd you get that?
Well, it's gone. It's all
Fire
gone.
amulet. Fire phoenix tail.
I have 100. You mean husband? I have so many diamonds right now. Shelby.
Shit, my Chromebook's gonna die in 27 minutes. I need my charger. Hey, Mom.
Wait, no.
Should I get the tail?
Which one?
I might as well.
Which one? No, you should.
No.
I have a cold, by the way.
Nice. That's
no,
pleasant.
It's not nice that I have a cold.
I'm being sarcastic.
Yeah, she's being facetious.
Mom, are you getting my charger?
No.
Please, to my backpack. Why won't this be nice and cooperative and click?
Hold on, look at me.
Does anybody know how to make this click?
If you trade and give me some stuff, please.
Do you know how to make this click? My laptop's being sucky. Candace!
What?
Help me! It won't click!
Are you still recording?
Yeah. It won't click. I want to go to there. Being stupid.
What do you want to buy?
The art easel. You being what you want me to be. Yes. Feelings of faithless. Down to the circuit. I just wasted the last of my diamonds on that. Yeah, I'm home now, bitches. Joe's calling me. My living room. My reading room. And my room.
Papyrus, it's me. Love me. Love me, Papyrus, love me.
Shut up.
Love me.
He will not love you. He doesn't know you.
He likes capturing me. He's in love with animals.
I don't care. My old friend gave me this diamond, and she didn't ask for it back yet, so good. And she never will ask for it back, because I'll say no. So fuck off! Sorry, younger viewers. I'd say that every time. There's more than I can tell. I know the whole point of the song. It's about someone who's getting bullied and the person's telling them what to be and what to do and everything, and they're sick of it and they don't feel them there anymore. That's it. I'll just play another video. Jeez, I've had most of these things forever. And I know you were just like me, and someone disappointed in you. I've become so numb, I can't feel you there. Just so down, so much more lonely. I'm just gonna stop singing. Oh, to gift me, I want seals. Seals are life. Okay. Hold on, guys. Let me just turn on different songs. My emo pet, you come to me with stars on your lips. So, I have so many hamsters. Oh my god. Oh my, there's how many rooms are there? Oh my god. So much room. So many rooms. Oh my god. Let's go to somewhere where, like, yeah, well. Let's go to the Animal Jam birthday party. Ah, I'm so excited. Wee! We're here! I'm here. Happy birthday, Animal Jam! My computer's being shitty, but who cares? Oh, great. What's for sale? Oh yeah, I can buy music now. I forgot. Which one is this? I swear to God, I'm copyrighted. How do you click on this? Like, my computer's being very complicated. Oh well. Bye, party. You suck. I think that's enough for today, jammers, because my computer's being a shithead, so. Bye!